Welcome back to How to Masteric, your go-to channel for mastering digital tools. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest how-to guides. Today, we're focusing on Excel and specifically, how to merge cells. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your Excel spreadsheet and select the cells you want to merge. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse across the cells. Step 2. Once you've selected the cells, go to the Home tab in the top menu. Step 3. Look for the Alignment section in the Home tab. Here, you'll see an option named Merge and Center. Step 4. Click on Merge and Center. You'll notice that the selected cells have now merged into one larger cell. The content of the merged cell is now centered as well. If you don't want your content to be centered, click on the drop-down arrow next to Merge and Center and choose Merge Across or Merge Cells. Remember, merging cells is a great way to keep your Excel data neat and organized. And there you have it, you've now learned how to merge cells in Excel. For more tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to our channel How to Masteric. Stay tuned for our next video and, as always, happy learning!